Just show you around the home gym a little bit. What we made. Well, I made this many years ago. It looks disgusting, but by gay, it works so well. I've had it 20 odd years. Welded each one. There's a hole pushed into the hole, then welded. It looks rough, but honestly, this has held some sort of poundage. I've benched way over 350 on this. 300, 340, 380, I think. Pounds, that is. So it's just all welded together. So this is the smithy machine, shoulder press, squatty, whatever you want to do. The bar at the top there, that little one, that's because these are made out of scaffolding poles. That's a smaller scaffolding pole to a larger scaffolding pole, and then this is just a support bar that stops it from wobbling. And it doesn't wobble, it doesn't catch, it really works exceptionally well. And this lifts up and then swivels back. That's our smithy machine, and then we built these. Well, I built these, and they're just welded in, drilled again, pushed through, welded, and then bolted through the wall. And these are our dipping bars with a couple of motorbike grips on. That's just an old piece of racking bolted through the wall with all our discs on. And then we've got a chinning bar, which we made quite straightforward. And then we got a bento, a rowing bar, crucifixion bar, whatever you want to call them, and that's seated into a massive weight at the bottom so it doesn't move. Loads of bars, and then we go through to which always shocks people. Now, a lot of this stuff was bought, we had to, so the racking was bought, and so was that racking bought. Most of the dumbbells we made ourselves, welded collars on the end, the big ones you see, and all these, not the rubber ones of course. This was bought from a gym which was being thrown out, and this was of course the rack, dumbbell rack. This is a PowerTech machine. No weights, just the machine we bought. It's over £500. That was many few years ago. That was now. As you can see, it's starting to change colour from the sun. Yeah, and then this one, I made this as well. This is just angle iron, strong angle iron. These, when I used to work in the butchery trade, these are cattle runners. So if you imagine turn that upside down, like this one, turn it upside down. This has got a hole in the top there. Then there was a big hook which went through the shin, and then these ran on rails above your head. Many a time you went to hospital with iron filings in your eyes, so you never look up. And then these are just straight steel bars. Same again. Smaller hollow tube at the bottom, welded to a frame, as you can see. And then those are tappet springs, lorry tappet springs at the bottom. And that's it really. And a bit of rope, and that's been on there about, I might have to change that one time. It's been on there a few years. And the rest is just bars with put on and put a bolt on the other end and welded through it. And there's the bolts that hold the dipping bars. And they're quite substantial. And that's about it really. This is homemade gym. Well, the home gym. My lads use it as well now. I do about 7 or 8 sets of these. Two more sets. Ooh. Homemade equipment, standing tricep push downs. Good fun. Squeeze at the bottom. Okay, if you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Just a little bit of entertainment while this lockdown thing's going on. So I just thought you might be interested on some of the home equipment I've made. Maybe copy it, or if you wish, or just enjoy the vid. Take care, catch you in the next one. All the best, keep safe.